In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal blocked canceled for your protection. This can be really frustrating, but don't worry, it's usually just a security measure and can be resolved quite easily. First, open your Cash App on your phone and go to the home screen. At the bottom right corner, tap on the Activity tab, which looks like a small clock icon. This section shows all your recent transactions. Next, scroll through your transaction list and find the Bitcoin withdrawal that was declined or blocked. It should be clearly labeled with words like declined, blocked, or not confirmed. Once you locate it, tap on that transaction to open its details. Now, you'll likely see an option to review the transaction. Tap on it, and Cash App will ask you to confirm that it was indeed you who initiated the withdrawal. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and confirm the action. This step helps ensure that no unauthorized person is trying to move Bitcoin from your account. After confirming, look for a green button that says something like "Looks good" or "Confirm transaction." Tap that, and Cash App will update the record to mark the withdrawal as safe. Once that's done, your Bitcoin transfer should go through successfully without being canceled again. And that's it. By reviewing and confirming your transaction, you signal to Cash App that the withdrawal is legitimate, not suspicious. However, if you're still facing issues even after verification, you may need to contact Cash App support directly through the app for further assistance.